Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what many consider the best outdoor clothesline dryer on the market, the Storage MANIAC Outdoor Umbrella Drying Rack. If you're tired of using bulky drying racks or limited drying lines, this product promises to revolutionize your laundry routine with its smart design and large capacity. The Storage MANIAC Outdoor Umbrella Drying Rack features a sturdy steel frame with a sleek silver or gray finish. Measuring roughly 42 inches in diameter and standing about 65 inches tall when fully extended. It's designed with 4 umbrella-style arms, each equipped with multiple lines that total up to 82 feet of drying space on the 8-line model, which gives you plenty of room to air dry your laundry efficiently. One of the standout features is its adjustable height. The central pole has a sliding mechanism that lets you raise or lower the entire umbrella to your preferred working height. This means you don't have to strain or bend down while hanging or retrieving clothes. Whether you're drying delicate garments or heavy towels, this flexibility comes in handy. Another impressive aspect is the 360-degree rotary top. The umbrella arms rotate smoothly even when fully loaded with wet clothes, allowing you to easily access every side without needing to move the whole rack. This spinning design ensures better airflow around your clothes, speeding up drying time naturally. The drying lines themselves are made of stainless steel, contributing to durability and resistance to outdoor weather elements. Each arm ends with a dedicated clothes hanger hook, ideal for hanging delicate items or pieces that need to stay wrinkle-free. The overall frame is mounted on a stable quadrupod base, preventing tipping and ensuring safety even in breezy conditions. Ease of use is a big selling point here. The rack comes pre-assembled, so you won't need any tools to get it set up. When not in use, it folds down compactly, making it easy to store in a small space or carry with you if you want to take it camping or move it around your backyard. The package also includes some handy accessories: a carry bag for transportation, a peg bag for organizing clothespins, and 24 clothespins to get you started right away. This thoughtful addition means you can start using the rack immediately without hunting for extra clips. For those who need even more drying space, there is a 12-line version that offers 164 feet of line length, doubling the capacity while maintaining the same functional design. Both models share the same adjustable and foldable features. The Storage MANIAC Outdoor Umbrella Drying Rack is designed for natural air drying, which is gentler on clothes compared to machine drying, helping your garments last longer. It's also a great eco-friendly alternative that saves energy and lowers utility bills. In summary, this drying rack combines heavy-duty materials, a large drying area, and user-friendly features like height adjustment and 360-degree rotation to create an efficient outdoor laundry solution. It's suitable for patios, backyards, balconies, and even camping trips, offering flexibility wherever you need it. That wraps up our review of the Storage MANIAC Outdoor Umbrella Drying Rack, the best outdoor clothesline dryer available. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.